Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's release day over in the Whimsy Stamps shop, and today I'm revealing the new On a Roll clear stamp set. It is a 4x6 clear stamp set with 3 main images and 7 fun sentiments. The sentiments read, "Hey, we, you are on a roll, you've got this, keep it up, live life with no regrets." I think that these images are really versatile and they can be used for boys or girls. I do have one sample to share today, and I used the bear on the skateboard. I paired that up with the previously released speckled star stencil and the awesome die cut word, and I was able to use the simple sentiment strip die set to die cut the word "you are." And as you can see, the giraffe and the little flamingo are super cute when they're all colored up. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.